Hello everyone, this is Crawford Fluff or Throwaway Modeler, and today another small box review. This is a box review of Eduard's 1 in 144 scale dual combo kit of the Junkers 87G, the Kanonenvogel. It's a dual combo, that means there are two kits in the box. Outside impressions, very nice looking, of course, Eduard always says very nice box art. On the back side, we can see the three camouflages that you can build. Unfortunately, these are the only camouflages that you can build using the decals in the kit, which is a shame, but hey ho. But that's enough about the outside. Let's check out what's inside the box. Inside the box we are greeted with a bag of plastic parts and a second bag of other stuff. So let's check out the other stuff first. So here are the other stuff. We have the instructions, a photo etch sheet, that's interesting, a sheet of masking paper, and some decals with protective film. So let's check out the instructions first. The instructions come in a nice, slightly bigger than A5 paper. It's in a glossy finish and full color, as with usual Eduard Profi packs. Here we have the part count, including the mask detail for the photo etch parts and everything else. There's also a paint chart right in the top here, but this is only using RLM, Mr. Color, and Aqueous paints. That's all from Gunze. So the construction is pretty straightforward. I noticed that there is no cockpit, which is a shame. And that is all from the construction. For the mask, you do not get a mask for the canopy, but you do get a nice mask for the camouflages and the yellow tips or the white tips and the identification strips. Next two pages is the camouflage. So all the camouflages are more or less the same. They are a variation of RLM 70 and 71 with some yellow paint on the tips usually. One is for Hans Doodle, one is for an SG2 unit in the Eastern Front, and the third camouflage is for the Versuchskommando für Panzerbekämpfung in 1943. The camouflage is slightly different from the other ones. That is all for instructions. Let's check out other extra parts. So, the mask. The mask is pretty simple. As I mentioned before, you do not get a canopy mask, but only the identification strips and such. It's hard to see, but it's all cut up in pieces, as with all Eduard canopy masks. Next up, the photo etch parts. As with usual Eduard, very nicely made and etched out. The machine guns are also photo etch parts, which is a nice addition. You do get one extra set of machine guns, huh? That's nice. Two extra sets. Oh, even better. Huh? That's all for photo etch parts. The decals are printed by Eduard and not cartograph, but that doesn't lower the quality. They're in a glossy finish, and you do get swastikas as well. Unfortunately, if you're in Germany, this is going to be cut off, and you cannot make replacement. So from two parts, you cannot make swastikas, which is a slight shame. Other than that, the decals are very nicely printed out. Let's see. This kit was made in 2014, which is fairly new. This is a new mold, as with usual Eduard kits. So that is all from plastic. Let's switch. That's all from various parts. Let's switch to plastic. The clip parts are in a nice protected Ziploc bag, but I'm going to get to them later. The two sprues that we do get are exactly are exactly the same, but so because that I'm going to only check one. One sprue is for one plane, one Kanonvogel. So let's start from the corner up here. As you can see, very nicely molded detailing. There is no riveting, unfortunately, though there is some on the engine right here, but nothing too major. The guns are molded in one piece, but you are going to need to drill out the barrel or replace it with a metal one. I would recommend the metal one. You also get a nice little bomb. I presume this is for the R or the B version of the Stuka that they make as well. The wheels also have some detailing on them, but they do also have some flash, so you're going to probably need to either scrape the detailing or sand it off, so it's going to be a problem keeping it in. The propeller, unfortunately, is in three parts. Especially in this scale, it's going to be rather tough to keep it all in one place. I hope Eduard makes a single piece propeller in the future. All other detailing is nice. There is some small flash, but nothing some little sanding cannot deal with. This is for the propeller's entrance. So, yeah. As I mentioned before, there is absolutely no detailing inside the airplane, nor can you even see it because this will be closed off. So if you want to put some detailing, you're going to have to drill this out yourself. So that's basically it. Let's give my small closing thoughts. So all in all, for 13 euros, I really cannot not recommend this kit. The molding is really nice. You get footage parts, a mask, and some beautiful decals as well. And two kits. Unfortunately, there is no detailing inside the plane, but in this scale, I can overlook it. So yeah, I totally recommend this kit. So, if you hope you enjoyed my small review, you can watch it from my other box reviews right here on the side. So, that's it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.